Hi, I'd like to introduce you to a great new iPad keyboard case. Let's have a look. When we open it up, one of the first things you'll notice is the backlit keys, which you can easily change the color of. 7 different options. On the top row here, we have the lock screen. Give it a press, enter the password, and you're in. One of the best things about this iPad keyboard case is it has a very large trackpad, which is enabled with all of Apple's 2- and 3-finger shortcut gestures. So you can easily use it to swipe through any apps that you happen to be working on. Up here on the top corner, we have the home screen, which you can double click to bring up any apps that you happen to have open. Press it again and you're home. You can control the brightness of the screen. You can bring up the search, and you can also very easily take a screenshot of what you're working on. You also have full media controls, very convenient. This keyboard case is special because of its versatility. You can rotate the screen 360 degrees so you can easily share what you're working on with your friends. You can also turn it all the way back so you can look at your iPad as a stand and also work on it. If you find it more convenient, you can invert it into a tent mode, great for watching movies. If you prefer, you can fold the screen all the way back for a traditional tablet experience. What makes this iPad keyboard case really great is that you can remove the iPad entirely from the rest of the keyboard and still have it protected by a very strong TPU case, which includes a great place to keep your Apple Pencil. Reinstall it very easily in seconds. All in all, one of the best new iPad keyboard cases available.